Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Henrik Holmberg made serious introduction remarks. I am very happy to see so many of you here in Brussels today. And I just repeat some remarks why we decided to organize this summit. You know, yes, we are here from 2004, and we are coming from Estonia together with Henrik and my colleagues, and we came from Estonia and we actually had a serious and intensive period of introducing market economy in completely different environment, starting from more or less from zero, and then believing hard that market economy can offer better possibilities for people, for citizens, for business. And now coming to Brussels in 2004, of course, we still kept, and I still kept the belief, the faith in market economy. And then 2005 was the so-called service directive. Collapsed, failed totally. Today we are talking again, service directive, service market for services is by far not complete. Then came port directive, again introducing some market elements in this very difficult sector, failed totally. So now we are working with various sectors. Transport sector also has some sub-sectors, and we are trying to develop the sectorial reforms and sectorial ideas how to improve the functioning of these sectors. But when we saw that there is something is missing between, and the missing link between is some horizontal issues. How is the business environment in European Union? How this business environment influences the operating, acting of activities of all operating entities, people and businesses. And then we decided to maybe we should invite people from various modes of transport to discuss this business environment in Europe. And we discuss tomorrow in the Commission big macroeconomic issues, big business environment issues. But also we have something in between to talk, how the business operates and what is the business environment in Europe. So I'm really happy to see you here, and I hope that this meeting, this summit will be an interesting one.